Hello students, in previous lecture discussed on mathematical logic. Two lectures are covered. In that two lectures, some basic concept, definition and what is meant by statement, the types of statements, these are studied. And also some logical connectivities, that connectivity is also explained. But today start the exercise 1.1. In that, the first question is that state which of the following are statements. If yes, then write truth values. Means what? In that example, see here. The first example is that 5 plus 4 equal to 30. What is the question? State which of the following are statements. The first is that these two are statements or not. If it is statement, then it is right value, truth value of that given statement. See here, how to write the answer. 5 plus 4 equal to 30. Is it true? No. 5 plus 4, that is 9. But it is a statement. Then how to write the answer? See here. It is a statement. It is a statement which is false. Its truth value is F, means false. Getting? Means what? First we have to declare the statement. What is meant by statement? In first lecture discuss statement. Declarative sentence, that is a statement. These statements are given, but here you have to explain or satisfy or create your answer using that statement here. 5 plus 4 equal to 30. Then write the answer. It is a statement which is false and its truth value is F, means false. Second statement is there. Second example, x minus 3 equal to 40. Is it statement? X minus 3 equal to 14. See again. Imperative sentence, then interrogative sentence, declarative sentence, after that open sentence. In 4 types of sentence are there. In that, this particular example is comes. See, x minus 3 equal to 14 means what? Is it statement? If it is a statement, then write their truth values. See here, x minus 3 equal to 14 means what? Value of particular x you can put, then got the answer, that is 14. Means it is not a statement, it is a open sentence. It is a open sentence which is not a statement. And write the answer. It is a open sentence which is not a statement. देखो स्टेटमेंट किसके बोलते हैं? स्टेटमेंट वो डिक्लेरेटिव होना चाहिए. अगर एसरेटिव है तो ही स्टेटमेंट है. यहाँ पे क्या है? x minus 3 equal to 14. The value of x is fixed. Openly declare. What? X minus. Take any one value of x. Suppose 15 minus 3. You got the value 14? No. 17 minus 3. You got the value 14. Yes? Means what? This is openly declared. It is a open sentence, hence which is not a statement. Getting? Try to understand. This one. Close the door. What is here? Close the door. Which type of sentence is there? See. Close the door. Give the command. What is here? Close the door. Give the command means imperative sentence. Hence, it is an imperative sentence. Hence, it is not a statement. Because here, close the door, given the command or request. Hence, it is not a sentence, statement. It is a sentence. Which type of the? Imperative sentence. Getting? And next one is 0 is a complex number. You have to find out 0 is a complex number. This is a statement. Yes. It is a statement which is true, then its truth value is here not the truth value because it is not a statement. Whenever statement is there, then write the truth value. Otherwise, this is simple. Not a statement, then explain the sentence. Which type of sentence is there? Again here, please get me breakfast. Please get me breakfast. This is a request. Same sentence is there. Means here it is not a statement, it is also a sentence. Here, congruent triangles are also similar. Congruent triangles are also similar. Then what is that? Try to understand the concept. Congruent triangles are similar. Yes, it is a statement. Then again you have to write it is see here, next one is congruent triangles are also similar. Try to understand this concept. This is a statement which is true. Then how to write answer? It is a statement. It is a statement which is true. Then its truth value is P. Whenever the statement is true, then write the truth value. Because the question is that state which of the following are statement. First, explain the statement. If it is a statement, then write the truth values. Truth value, that is whether it is true or false. Using this, you can write the answer. See here again, next one example, x square equal to x. When the value is same, here 2 square equal to x. 2 square, that is 4. Not a same. Here you have to write 1 square, that is 1, means x square equal to x. It is a statement? It is a statement? No. Means what? Which type of sentence is there? It is an open sentence. It is the open sentence. Hence, it is not a statement. Hence, it is not a statement. Getting or not? See, try to understand. Very simple. You have to understand what is statement and what are the sentence. These types have to understood. Then and then you write the answer properly. Next one example is that quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. You know the quadratic equations. Try to understand what is meant by quadratic equations. In that quadratic equations, the concept is that quadratic equations cannot have more than 2 roots. Is it a statement? Yes. The first is that it is a statement. No doubt. Then what is the value? If it is a statement, yes, then write the truth values here. It is a statement which is true. Its truth value is T. See, in exercise 1.1, the first question is there. In that, state which of the following are statements. If yes, then write truth values. Using this concept, solve 8 questions. Try to understand. Number of questions are there in your textbook. Try to solve, and after that, take exercise 1.1 first question. Then solve again second question. See here, in previous lecture, exercise 1.1, question number 1 is solved. Then same is that depends on logical connectivities. The second question is that write the following compound statements symbolically. Write the following compound statements in symbolical form. What is meant by compound statements? Try to understand. Two simple statements are connected using logical connectivities. Any one connectivities. You know the logical connectivities. What are the logical connectivities? And, or, if and only, then, not. These are the connectivities. Using these connectivity, two simple statements are connected, then it is called compound statement. But it is in symbolic form, you have to explain. Then try to understand here. Take one example is that number 1. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. See, compound statement, what is the definition? Two simple statements. Here, Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. See here, Nagpur is in Maharashtra. This is statement 1. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Statement 2. These two simple statements are connected using one logical connectivity, that is and, make compound statement. Ready? Then how to write the answer in symbolic form? Let P, consider. Let P is a statement number 1, that is Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Second statement, consider Q is a second statement, that is Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Here, let P, Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Second statement, that is Q, Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. You know the logical connectivity. Which one logical connectivity? And what is the symbol of this particular and in symbolic form? Then its symbolic form is very simple, that is P and Q. P and Q. This is the symbolic form. Whenever asked the question for 2 marks in examination, at that time you have to consider the first statement, that is P, Nagpur is in Maharashtra, and second statement Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. देखो क्या करना है, अगर एग्जाम में 2 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ता है, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट जो उसे P कंसीडर करो. यहाँ पे लिखो लेट P नागपुर इज इन महाराष्ट्र. सेकंड स्टेटमेंट कंसीडर करो Q, चेन्नई इज इन तमिलनाडु. अभी ये 2 कंपाउंड सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स है. ये 2 सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स कनेक्ट किया है. कौन सी कनेक्टिविटी यूज है? एंड. तो एंड क्या बोल रहा है? एंड के लिए कौन सा सिंबल है? दिस वन सिंबल इज देयर. देन राइट द 2 स्टेटमेंट्स इन सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म P एंड Q. Already explained P and already explained Q. Use the symbol, that is connectivity, and this one. In examination, you have to write P and Q. This is compulsory because question is there. Getting? Then second one is there. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. See here. This one concept is there. Again, same. But only symbolic form is different. Which one connectivity is used? Or. What is the symbol of or? This V. Then put that here. Let P triangle is equilateral. And statement Q triangle is isosceles. Then what is the symbolic form? Symbolic form is that P or ready? Next one is the question. The angle is right angle if and only if it is a measure 90 degree. So here again 2 simple statements are there, and these 2 simple statements are connected using this connectivity if and only if. Here, let P first statement, the angle is right angle. Statement Q, it is of measure 90 degrees. The connectivity is what? If and only if. Means in symbolic form. Then symbolic form is, what is that? Statement P, if and only if, means biconditional if. Ready? Try to understand. These connectivities are used here, and or if and only if. Here, next one question is that angle is neither acute nor obtuse. See, what is that? See the connectivity. Which one connectivity is used? Nor. It is same as and. But, nor, and. Same as and. Then write the answer. Again consider. Let P angle is acute. Statement Q angle is obtuse. Then what is the connectivity? Nor is there. Then symbolic form. Symbolic form is here statement P and statement Q. See, these are the symbolic form in our examples. Try to understand. Here is the question. Which of the compound statement? Compound statement. Try to understand the definition. Any two simple statements are connected with one logical connectivity, that is called compound statement. These simple statements can be connected with logical connectivity. You have to prove the answer using the symbolic form, then P and Q. This is the symbolic form. Getting? Try to understand. Solve some examples also in textbook given. Then take next lecture after this particular concept.